Good morning, everybody. Monday the 18th of January. Here's your work for today. And our quote, don't give up on the impossible before you try it. Okay, so for English today we have Better English page 61, which is a poem called the ABC. There should be a video up as well of me reading it, if that helps you. Okay, and if you'd like to send me a voice note, a vocaroo of yourself reading the poem, that would be great. It does need a bit of practice. It's a tricky enough one. You'll hear in it that I stumbled once or twice in it, but it's quite funny. And then just the few questions that go with it. Okay, and again, Master Your Maths week 17, Monday. Keep note of your trickies for our Zoom class on Wednesday. And then Busy at Maths, page 60, question 6. Okay, well actually we'll have a quick look at that here. Page 60, question 6. Okay, so write these fractions out as decimals. Okay, and here's two examples for you here. 500ths will be the same as 0.05. 1 and 600ths will be 1.06. So do them for me, please. Okay, geography. I saw from our poll on Friday that everyone was most people were very much interested in learning about France this week, so I have done so. So we have a PowerPoint lesson on the classroom, and it's just an overview today on Monday. It's the start of the week. Just an overview of France, just having a look at little things like famous landmarks, famous people, food, general facts, little bit of history, and so on. Okay, and during the week we'll be delving into specific areas to do with France, and perhaps our art lesson later on will be themed towards that. Okay, and Irish this week we have Cov Aimsire, which means hobbies. Okay, and again there's a lesson on the classroom. Okay, we have our spellings. I have a video up which will be up for the whole week, just like last week, of our Irish spellings and the pronunciation of them. And then Kentucky's Kingdom, read chapter 7. Okay, I'm not going to put any questions up for chapter 6 just yet, just in case a few of you want to just finish reading that. And as well as that, maybe later on today I will put up another video of myself reading it, if that helps anybody, and I'll leave that up for the week. That's chapter 6 I'm talking about. But if you have finished chapter 6, go on yourselves and read chapter 7. Okay, and our optional extras: keep a locked in diary, and if you want to do a mini project on a certain aspect of France, food, famous people, language, etc., you can go ahead and do that. And guys, you can also go off and do anything optional yourself as well, but send it to me. You know, if you're putting in lots of effort to do extra work, I want to see it. Okay, because that's the least you deserve, is for me to have a look at it and give you some feedback. So keep the work coming into me, so I can see it and give you some feedback. Even just little bits, guys. Even if you just want to send one thing into me. Okay, I'm not, you don't have to send everything, you don't have to send your Better English, your Master Your Maths, and your Busy Maths into me. Okay, if you just want to send one thing into me, go for it. Okay, but I would like to see some of your work, just like I did last week. Okay, because we'll keep the effort up, we'll keep it going. Okay, have a great day, guys, and I will talk to you soon.